In this video, I want to talk about how you can link NBA League Pass to your YouTube TV. Now the way that this works, guys, is you want to head over to your account. So what you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube TV, and inside of there you want to sign in to your account. Once you've done that, you want to head over to the membership settings. So click on your account and there will be a settings button. Inside of there, find the membership one. Once you're in there, you should be able to search for the NBA League Pass, or you can just scroll until you find it. Once you're on there, you want to click the add or subscribe button, and then it's going to take you to the subscription page where you need to pay to get the NBA League Pass. Now, once you've paid for it, you just want to quickly confirm it. And once you've done that, you can just return to the live, which is the guide, or to the library tab, and then you should be able to find it from in there. Now that is basically how it works, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.